Art snacks. Hello everyone. I have another art snacks. I know I said, I think I know I said, I was going to look for more brands. I think I said that. But I just decided that kind of wanted to go with art snacks again because art snacks. Because I looked for other places, on websites, and I'm like, this looks okay, but I kind of want to go with art snacks. Probably because I did art snacks already, so I'm most comfortable with it, but whatever. This is one of their previous boxes because I'm hoping I'll be able to do a subscription after Christmas or something. So yeah, this came with it, I guess. So sticker, I love stickers. Actually, I want to open it with this. Ooh, what's this? Jawbusters? Are they a knockoff version of Jawbreakers? Ooh. Okay. I think the first box I got 3 stickers on accident, but I'm not complaining. Just rip it open! Oh my goodness. Woo! Another art snacks. Oh, I got this one already. Ooh, got a blue one. Ooh, Micron. Ooh. I just keep saying ooh. 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 What's this? Ooh. Oh my gosh. I love these. I love them already. Okay, so I got 2 art snack stickers. Stickers! I love stickers so much. Sketchbook ready at hand. Okay, I really want to try this out. I've never had a brush one of these. I know it's a brush one because it's different and I've seen these before. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so I think... Okay, let me look at the instructions before I break it. I have to shake it. Do I open this? Yeah, open it. Oh. Oh. This part is not pushing. It's interesting. Spam it! Spam! Oh, look at the blue. That's beautiful. Just gonna do this over here. Okay, so I got a Micron. I had this size before, but kind of dried out. So I'm glad to have another one. Oh my gosh, too much. I think I overflowed this. I love it. Let me see. So you can do this thin and this thick. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put this cap back on. So this is like a Posca, but brush tip. Then I am familiar with this. Oh my gosh, I haven't felt this forever. Oh my gosh, I love new ones of these. They feel so fresh. Okay, I'm not familiar with this or this. Look at this. Notice with the Posca pen, I took an eternity, and with everything else, I just zoom right past them. Okay, I think this is just a regular color pencil. I didn't know if it was a different kind of pencil. It's Faber-Castell, so let's test it out. It's blue. Oh, and I just realized they already sharpened it for us. That's nice. It looks like it's blue. Yeah, everybody can see that, Nyla. This is making me think of rain. But this is nice. Now, what is this? I'm guessing this is a liner. Made in Japan. Oh my gosh, this feels... Whoa, what the... I can spin this around. Oh my gosh, this feels so silky. Okay, so I just read some of the instructions. So you need to take this off. Supposedly take... Come back here. Supposedly take this off. Oh, it's red. I wasn't expecting it to be red. For some reason I was expecting it to be black. You just supposedly wait for a couple minutes to for it to flow, and you don't have to squeeze it like other water-based ink pens. happens or something. I'm just gonna wait for that to happen. I don't know if you need to leave it upside down or something. I'm just gonna close this again just to be protected. So I'm gonna go to time lapse and just fiddle around with all of these stuff. I really liked this red brush pen or whatever that I got here. It was like really juicy, and I just like we're spelling my name, well not my name, but well yeah, my name in cursive, and I was just drawing, and the pencil did not come in this box, but it was in like a past artsnacks box. Keep wanting to say scroller box. So I was trying to come up with an idea to like draw and put it on a separate page. I feel like I was speed running this artsnacks box, and later on I came back to add more art because I actually got two artsnacks box because it was like a sale or something, so I just wanted to know what was in the other box because I knew, but like what are the other colors, so I was just kind of speed running, so I feel like I didn't give it the attention it deserved. So after this drawing I came back later to like add more stuff and just to see what else can this stuff do. This position that I'm drawing, I'm trying to make it look like that she's like flipping her hair, just like I was looking at my old like video of the artsnacks box and like, oh my gosh, my nails. I forgot that happened. I try to paint my nails. I never paint my nails ever. And I was kind of peeling off, and I didn't feel like touching it up, so the horribleness. So I just added that there because I'm like, oh, there's an empty space here, so we just add this random girl. I really liked writing with it. I think it's like geography it's called, I don't know. So this is the point where I came back to like try to draw some more, and then the red like kind of made me want to draw like this kind of like naughty girl. Oh, and then with the blue hair kind of made me think of Ladybug from Miraculous, which you could probably see it, the blue and the red. And I named her Jazzy because I have a friend that I think her nickname's like Jazzy or something like that. And I kind of wrote a lot of things while I wasn't recording because I was doing school at the time. And in the other sketch where she's putting her hand on her hip, I made her skin blue because I'm like, I'm not really using this color pencil, so I just made it blue. Oh, and that mechanical pencil, that's in the next artsnacks box. I just used it because I'm like, it's an artsnacks box, so I could use it. So it's in a future artsnacks box. It's really cool. And so I just like layered with the hair, the Posca pen, and the red ink or water-based pen, I don't even know what it's called, to like make it a different color. I don't know what she's doing with her hoodie right there. I thought about it. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's making me uncomfortable. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's taking off her shirt. That was an accident. But it's too late now. By the way, in the making of this video, I have an Instagram now. I don't even know if I posted anything yet. It's called Pinkink_art. I'm writing it there, and then I don't have space, so I just put art. I really like this like water-based pen or whatever, and it's just amazing. So don't forget to check me out on Instagram if you have Instagram. If you don't, that's okay too. Just steal your mom's phone and look at it. So these are this is the art that I created today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And I wanted to post a different video, but it's an animation and it's really short, but I wanted to color it for Christmas, so yeah! Bye. I finally changed it, guys. Are you proud of me? Am I like active, like, do I sound excited or I sound bored or sleepy? I don't know. Oh.